Hi, this is Paula, and I'm gonna be showing you on how to make pork adobo. We're not gonna be measuring all our ingredients. We're just gonna see how it goes. Alright, let's see. So we're gonna start with oil, basil, bay leaf, cornstarch, vinegar. You can use any vinegar. It doesn't need to be the Philippine kind. So you can use any vinegar you can buy at Walmart or Target. And the peppercorn. I don't have a full peppercorn. I don't know how to open this, so we're just gonna use that one. And soy sauce. You can use this Silver Swan soy sauce that you can buy in an Asian store, or there's other soy sauce that you can buy in the store, in Target, Walmart, the Kikoman. You can use that one too. They're a little bit more lighter color, and they're more saltier, so as far as I know. And then you can see the chopped pork. You use it in cube. You can do whatever size you want. And garlic and onion. You can find whatever you have in your kitchen, or you can measure it. It's up to you. Or it depends on what taste you want. If you want it more stronger, you can put more. If you want it more less stronger on the taste, then you can put little. All right, so let's begin. All right, we're just warming up our oil, and then we're gonna saute our garlic and our onion. It's not warm yet, but it doesn't matter. It's what we call easy cooking. We just put everything together. Okay. And the onion. Oh, I actually put the stove in medium heat, so it's just easier to make the stuff brown. So you just throw everything. You need to wait for that to, you don't really want to cook it all the way. You just want it brown on top and the bottom. Alright, our pork's a little brown. They're not cooked all the way yet, so we have to cook them in a slow cooker, so you don't have to worry about that. So turn this off. And then you transfer it to the pressure cooker instead. The slow cooker. Oh, I just dropped something. Okay. There we go. So here's our half-cooked pork. I put all the onion and garlic back in there too. So let's see. You can put the vinegar. Just put a little bit there. And the soy sauce. So you don't need to put any salt on this because they're already salty. Don't put too much either. You can tell that it's all well seasoned because you can smell it, like the vinegar and the soy sauce flavor mixed together, and you can smell it. Let's just mix that. Mix. Remember I don't have the peppercorn, so I'm just using this kind, the grinder one. It doesn't matter, they're gonna have the same taste. I'm just gonna put this in. I just estimated it. It's like, 1 teaspoon. Three or a couple of the bay leaf. And then we're gonna put the cornstarch. I'm actually gonna just like a teaspoon of it. I'm gonna put some water on it and melt it. So I just put enough water to melt it. I didn't put too much water on it because at the time that you turn this on to the slow cooker, the water from the pork will come out. So you're gonna have watery meat. And that's it. Just mix them. So here we go. I just moved the adobo mix in the crock pot and I put it on high, and it should be cooked in like 3-4 hours. So it's gonna be really soft. If not, just check on it and turn it on again, or to see if it is suited to your taste already, or the texture is good. All right, then we wait. All right, 4 hours later, here's our adobo. Oh. There you go. Thank you for watching.